In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create movie posters using Nano Banana. We'll start right at your web browser. Open a new tab and head to Google. This keeps everything simple and ensures you're starting from a familiar place. If you're not already signed into your Google account, you might be prompted to do that later. That's normal and helps you access the tools we need. In the Google search bar, type Google Gemini and press Enter. You're looking for the official Gemini page from Google. Click through to the site so you can use Gemini's creative features. Once you're in, look for the Create Image button. Go ahead and click it. That action activates Nano Banana behind the scenes. This is the part of the system that turns your ideas and visuals into polished artwork suitable for a movie poster. Next, you'll see an option with a plus icon to upload an image. Click the plus sign and select your reference photo. Choose a clear, high-resolution image with good lighting and a strong subject. If the image includes people or brand elements, make sure you have the right to use it. A clean reference gives the model better context, so your final poster looks intentional and professional. With the image uploaded, it's time to write your prompt. In the prompt box, type, "Turn this image into a 16:9 movie poster picture." That phrase tells the model to keep a cinematic widescreen aspect ratio. 16:9 is perfect for modern screens and digital displays. If you want to guide the style more, you can include descriptive details in the same prompt, like the genre, mood, color palette, or typography direction, but the core instruction stays the same. Think of the prompt as your creative brief, concise, specific, and focused on the poster look. When you're happy with the wording, click Submit. The system will process your request and generate your poster. This can take a moment, so give it a bit of time to render. While it's working, avoid refreshing the page to prevent interrupting the generation. When the result appears, you'll see your image reframed and stylized as a widescreen movie poster that aligns with your prompt. That's the full flow. Google, search for Gemini, open the official site, use Create Image to activate Nano Banana, upload a reference, add the 16:9 movie poster prompt, and submit. Follow these steps and you'll have a cinematic poster ready to showcase your concept with clarity and impact.